World's first bladder transplant saves cancer patient. Hey everyone! On May 18th, 2025, UCLA Health announced a medical milestone. The world's first bladder transplant at Ronald Reagan UCLA Medical Center on May 4th, 2025. Oscar Lorenzar, 41, a father of 4, no longer needs dialysis after an 8-hour surgery transplanting both a kidney and a bladder from a deceased donor. According to The Guardian, he lost his bladder and kidneys to cancer, but has made a remarkable recovery. Led by Dr. Nima Nassiri from UCLA and Dr. Inderbir Gill from USC, the surgery followed 4 years of research and animal trials. The transplanted bladder worked immediately, freeing Lorenzar from dialysis. Previously, bladder transplants were impossible due to complex pelvic blood vessels. Older methods, using small intestine, often caused infections. Ex-users are thrilled. Medicine is incredible. One post read, "Oscar's a true survivor." This breakthrough offers hope for urinary tract cancer patients and those with severe bladder dysfunction. However, Dr. Nassiri warns long-term studies on immunosuppressive drugs and transplant efficacy are needed. UCLA Health plans clinical trials to evaluate the technique. Dr. Gill proudly said, "The bladder is now on the transplantable organ list." How will this change medicine? Comment below. Like and subscribe for medical updates. Thanks, everyone!